In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Ads account and switch to expert mode for 2025. Setting up a Google Ads account can seem daunting at first, but by the end of this tutorial, you will feel confident and ready to dive into creating effective ad campaigns. We'll break this down step by step, ensuring that you understand not only what to do, but why it matters. Let's begin our journey into Google Ads. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Google Ads homepage. This is where you can start the process of drawing more customer attention and boosting your sales through online advertising. If you haven't done so already, you can go directly to the Google Ads homepage, where you'll find a wealth of resources and information about how Google Ads can propel your business forward. Next, look for the option that says New Google Ads Account. You'll click on this to kickstart the account setup process. This is an important step as it lays the foundation for everything else you'll do within Google Ads. Make sure you're ready to put some thought into this process, as setting your account up correctly is crucial for future success. Now, it's time to create your first campaign. Don't feel overwhelmed. This step will guide you through the process of crafting a campaign that suits your business needs. By clicking on the option Create Your First Campaign, you're on your way to showcasing your products or services to the right audience. At this stage, you'll likely need to enter some basic information about your business, which will help Google customize your campaign setup. Once you've created your campaign, the next thing you'll want to do is switch to expert mode. This mode offers a wider array of options, providing you with more control over your campaigns. Expert mode is recommended for those who desire to have a deeper understanding and greater command over their advertising strategies. By navigating through this setup in expert mode, you can adjust your target audience, budget, ad formats, and more, giving you the flexibility to tailor ads that align perfectly with your marketing goals. That's it for setting up a Google Ads account and switching to expert mode for 2025. Remember, once you've completed these steps, don't hesitate to explore. The more you interact with the Google Ads platform, the better equipped you'll be to refine and optimize your advertising efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Dive into the world of Google Ads and watch your business grow.